Hey YouTube, it's Annette with Casket Designs again. Coming to you with another tutorial. Let me turn my music down. Who doesn't like to craft with music? Okay, sorry about that. I was coming to you with this new crafting idea that I have. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I get inspired by a lot of things. And that's the key to get inspired and making them your own. So I was coming to you with this jigsaw puzzle that I got from Oriental Trading. It comes with 8, and I think it was like $9, $8 or $9 for 8, and then it has the little envelopes. But this is a blank jigsaw puzzle that you can create whatever picture. You could do media, art media, coloring with Crayola markers, colored pencils, everything. You can do watercolors, different things, and make this into a puzzle. So I thought it would be something different, thinking outside the box, to come to you and show you a little bit of something different. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of YouTube videos on it, but this is the first time that I'm doing this. I thought about this for my grandson, his birthday. He'll be 2 in April. And his theme for his birthday is Paw Patrol. But I thought, hey, why can't I make some little puzzles to give as gifts in his little gift bag for the other little kids to take home and do little puzzles. So I brought this to, I could do a little temporary, see how it goes type thing. Excuse my music, y'all. This is February. My birthday was the 18th. But it's Mardi Gras season too. So I got my Mardi Gras music going. Who doesn't like to craft with music? I mean, I'm off tomorrow. That's why I'm up. It's like 12:30 at nighttime. And I'm like so excited because I was like, I'm off tomorrow. I get to craft all day. Oh, and then my son comes over. He texts me. He's like, Mom, I want to come over and bring you a present. I want to take you out to eat. I said, son, I don't want to go out to eat. I mean, I'd rather see you, because you know how you get when you have older kids. You never get to get them all in the same place at one time for a long period of time. So I was like, I'd rather see you, but if you're going to give me a gift, then get me like a gift card from Joann's or Michael's so I can buy some more crafts. How the tables have turned, man. When your kids are old enough to work and get you a present, so them asking for money, I'm asking for money. I'm like, just give me a gift certificate. I'll buy what I want. So he comes over, he gives me those little flowers, and he gives me a little gift card for Michael's. And I'm so excited. So, I use these stencils that I had got from Joann's today. Different types of stencils. I can't draw for the life of me. That's why I mainly buy graphics or I use stencils. But stencils are an easy way to get the job done quickly. These are like sentiments. And then these are animal prints. Like those zebra, I don't know if you can see that, lion for my grandson. Then I got the butterflies, of course. Love butterflies. And then, of course, the flowers. The sentiments have like believe, create, success, all these different things on there. So I was like, you know what? When we craft, everybody has their different perspective. I was watching MJ Santa's things, and she was saying the same thing. When you create, everybody has their different technique of drawing and what they feel like art is. I would like for my art to be a household name. I would like to do party favors and things like that. That's why I do a lot of treat bags and stuff like that. And candy items. Who doesn't love chocolate? But something that they can keep. And these cards, I mean, you could do so much. I didn't mean to go in there. But you could do so much. You could put alphabets on these. You could put numbers on these. I believe in education. I believe in teaching our kids some education, doing things, you know, untraditionally, where this could have some alphabet letters on it or numbers. And they could just put the puzzle together. Try to do this quickly, y'all. Sorry. I don't know how to fast forward and make the video speed up. But hey, I'm learning. But I thought this would be a quick way, just get you some blanks. It came with the envelopes, but I want to do like a box for the, like a little mini box, and put the picture on front to put the puzzle inside. I love thinking outside the box. Okay, so I got the little 2 flowers on there. Put that up. Then let's put some butterflies on. I love butterflies. And position it in a different type of way. That's how I'm flying going out then. But of course I'm going to do like Romeo's theme. His theme for his birthday is Paw Patrol. He loves Paw Patrol. He can barely even talk, but he knows Paw Patrol. He told me on on the cable TV, he's like pointing at the picture. I'm like, what are you pointing at? He's like, he's pointing at Paw Patrol. I was like, okay, I didn't even know what Paw Patrol was. And I noticed, like, if I just take my time and don't feel so rushed, especially when I'm on video, then I feel more comfortable. But, I mean, I love crafting, man. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, I went over that. Okay, so that's like a purple butterfly. And I can do, we can do a dragonfly right here if we want to. Let's do it on blue. I don't have time. I mean, of course, you get the picture of what I'm trying to do. You can do it in different colors and things like that. But for the sake of the video, I'm just trying to give you a perspective of what you can do. And just think. I mean, you get to make the box. And then you have this little in the box, and you have a picture of what it, like, take a picture with your phone of what the picture looks like with the puzzle fully done on the outside of the box, just like a real puzzle. But with my grandson, I want to put his name on there and do like little Paw Patrol things and all that. So I want to do some words now. And I'm using the Crayola. Let me get it. The Crayola markers, because I feel like it's for kids, and I don't want to like poison them. You know, kids put their hands in their mouth and things like that. So I don't want to poison the poor kids. Let's see. I can do wish. I can put wish up here. And I'll do that in black Sharpie. I hope this is still okay. I hope this is a legit, I know, pesticide type marker. Just go in there. Things. You can do multimedia type stuff, textures, stamping, and then get on white. Who wouldn't think this is so freaking cute? Wish, okay. Let's do create right here. And if you have more time, you can really embellish these like beautiful. And who wouldn't want to put their image on here and have somebody cut it? Even if they didn't want to cut out the freaking puzzle, they can put it, glue it onto something and put it in a frame for, you know, just as art. I can't get in there good with this Sharpie. You would think I could, but I don't know. Or maybe I could try acrylic paint. But I just wanted to do it with the markers first to see. Okay. Create. Then the last one, let's do face. I love face. I mean, you can actually put a base onto the bottom and then let that dry and then put your image on top of that. That's what I was thinking about the stamping. Like, do the stamping first, like polka dots or chevrons, and then put your image on top and then make a box. Okay, that's it for the sake of the video. And then look at that. Like they're actual puzzle pieces. And then on the back, you put your signature stamp, handmade by such and such. But I thought, oh, I done smeared it a little. Oh, well, it's okay. But they come out like this. This is what I messed up on. I mean, I don't really have the luxury to keep messing up on something. But, I mean, then the kid can sit down and just put the puzzle together. So, just a little quick video I thought I'd share. Y'all have a happy crafting day. Well, nighttime. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.